The overall goal of this protocol is to fabricate an innovative solid-phase extraction microchip for the determination of trace metal ions in water samples by virtue of the dipole-ion interactions.
This method provides an alternative working strategy for on-chip solid-phase extraction techniques for the analysis of trace metal ion. The developed chips retains metal ions only by the dipole electrostatic force.
Those measures took during general on-chip solid-phase extraction procedures, such as conditioning for the activation of the stationary phase and regeneration for the maintenance of extraction media, are avoided.
Demonstrating the procedure will be Yucheng Zhuang and Peijun Zhao, grad students from Dr. Sun's laboratory.
To begin, use a CAD program to draw the network pattern of the chip as shown here. Focus the laser source, and then mount a 2 mm thick sheet of PMMA on the working table of the laser micromachining system. Select Print in the CAD software, and then use the control panel of the micromachining system to set the power to 45%, or 4.5 watts, the speed to 13%, or 99.06 millimeters per second, and the pen mode to VECT. Machine the PMMA sheet using the laser micromachining system according to the manufacturer's protocol. A cross-section of the machined plate is shown here. Next,